going down, you know what I'm saying? We're over here at Trayvon Martin, psychological control bridge right here, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I'm with my guys, you know what I'm saying, with the Israelites right now, we're holding this down. And what we're here to discuss right now is that it has nothing to do with race. All of it is a psychological control, a psychological bridge. What they're using to start a civil war. Now, we, as black people, and me being a black man myself, 78 kids younger than Trayvon, just yesterday, died in Chicago. We don't want to march like that. We don't want to march about the 2 million babies that were aborted in Africa. What? We don't want to march with that. But when they use a case like Trayvon and they psychologically psyop it, then everybody joins. And this is around the world. I'm here. What I'm here to Tokyo. What I'm here to point out is that all of us should be more intellectually aware to know that this is a psychological race psychological psyop. We should all be aware of that. You dig what I'm saying? But don't nobody want to be aware. Everyone wants to be a part of the game in some small way, even if it's with control or being in control. As you can see, all these people here, all of them are under this psyop that they're using Trayvon as a catalyst for. I'm going to be able to tell you right now. This is just the beginning. There's going to be more videos to come. I got my guy on the camera, and I got my guys right here.
Once again, say man, keep it 100, and you never gonna lie to you. Check it out. Holla at your boy.